So this is Kota. So, bago tayo tuluyang gumala, kain muna tayo. This is a Japanese restaurant. Ang ganda ng kanilang tables. Ang mamahalin. Diba? So, my food is already here. It's, what is it?
Fisch.
Fish.
Schlangenfisch. Snakefisch. Genau.
Whale.
Was heißt das?
Whale. Yes. Good.
Milk curry.
Curry. Chicken curry.
Ist da Melone drin in den Beeren?
Yes.
Die gegenüber da.
So, tapos lang kumain. Busog. Busog na kami. So, saan tayo papunta? Where are we going?
Geh weg.
So, lakad-lakad muna kami dito sa kanilang park and yan, ganda ng ating view. Daming makukulay na kahoy at nagsihulog na yung mga dahon. It's autumn. Autumn, it's fall.
Wie heißt das? Autumn oder Fall?
Fall, autumn.
Autumn oder Fall?
Autumn or fall. It's beides.
British or American English? Huh? Filipino English.
Yes, beides. Ito yung beauty ng autumn. Diba? Ang ganda ng mga leaves. Ang makukulay sila. Diba? Nagsipsipaghulog na rin. That. So, here shots. Yan, my, what is that? River? Shoes?
Teich.
Stagnant water.
Weißt du nicht, was Teich heißt?
Ang ganda lang maglakad sa mga ganitong dahon. It's so crunchy pag inaapakan mo sila.
Willst du auch einen Baum reinritzen? T und A.
T und A. So, ang park nila dito is maraming kahoy, maraming mga plants.